back to my channel. My name is Rashida, but you can call me Danny. And if you want to be a part of the Danny fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our family. You notice in my description of my last video and maybe the one before that, I was saying something like, what's up Danny fam, or hey Danny fam. That is going to be my new name for you guys because I felt it was too generic to just say hey YouTube or hey guys or what's up guys. It was just like corny and plain to me. So if you don't mind, I don't mind calling you guys Danny fam. And if you're new to my channel and you want to be a part of the Danny fam, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you will be down with my crew. Well, down with the fam. So this video I want to tell you guys about vision boards. Now I know there's plenty of videos on YouTube about vision boards and manifestation and allowing your dreams and wishes to be manifested. So in January I decided to go ahead and create a vision board, and on this vision board, which I will show you shortly, I put down a couple of items that I wanted to see happen in my life. And two of those things were a new position and in my job, and also a vacation. Now, I have never been out of the country before. I have never even been on a plane. I think I went to Virginia one time, and I go to Maryland a lot because my mom and my brothers live there, and I have other family that lives there. And I'm from New York, so I'm back and forth from Pennsylvania to New York all the time. So I put down on my vision board that I wanted to, I'll show you. I just put a picture of like an ocean and I said, I want to be here. I didn't know if it was going to happen in 2018. I didn't know if it was going to happen in 2019, but it's just something that I wanted to happen. So I wanted to get a new position as a practice administrator. And if you're familiar with the medical field, you may know what a practice administrator is. And a practice administrator is someone who runs the practice. So that could be an OBGYN office, that could be a pediatrics office, family medicine, whatever. There's always the nursing staff, there's always the administrative staff, there's the physicians and the PAs, and then you have the administrative staff, which is the secretaries, the receptionists, and the practice administrator. And the practice administrator is the one who does the billing. Well, you have people who do the billing, but she or he is in charge of the whole financial running of that practice. And, you know, dealing with the patient and their families, day-to-day operations of that practice. That's kind of what I went to school for, and I was going to try to use a degree that I just got for that position. And I put this position on my vision board, and I was like so close to getting it, but it didn't happen. So let me just show you what my vision board looks like. The position that I wanted originally was a practice administrator position, and I didn't get it, and so I took it down off my vision board because it obviously wasn't for me, and so I took it off my vision board, and I didn't replace it yet, but I'll tell you why. So this is what my vision board looks like. Oh, I'm gonna hide. Hey, I'm still here. This is what my vision board looks like. A lot of the items, this is my vision board. So if you want to take a look at that, you can see I have, here I have Together We Can Make Miracles Happen. And I'll tell you about that. And I have like some Gucci, some Dior, some Chanel, and some Louis Vuitton bags on here. I have a Louis Vuitton bag, but I did want another one for work. So that's why I put that there. You know, time, because I wanted time. I wanted more time in my life. Obviously, I wanted money in my life. And who doesn't want more money? So I put the dollar sign here. I just cut these pictures out of magazines. And also, what do we have here? That's how I would look if I lost weight. I wanted to get more physical as far as exercising and eating right. I wanted to stop eating meat and drinking so much coffee. Like, I wanted to just change my diet altogether. So this is my future body. So you saw on my vision board, I cut out a picture of a ocean and a sunset, and it says, Together We Can Make Miracles Happen. So, one of my best friends that I went to college with invited me on a vacation to the island of Curacao. And Curacao is a small island between Aruba and I think it's called Bonaire. I don't know, somewhere in the Caribbean. It's a small island, popular but small. And she wanted me to go with her on this trip, and I was just like, oh my goodness, I can't afford this trip right now. Like, I'm gonna have to like from wherever to pay for this trip. And so I told my mom about it, and she was like, you're going on this trip. I want you to go. You need a vacation. You've never been anywhere in your life. You need to go. So as the universe would have it, I was able to get on a payment plan to pay for my room. And my brother decided to help me out as well with the tickets for the plane, and my mom helped me out as well. So everybody in my family wanted me to go on this trip, and they made it happen for me. So I feel like having a vision board is a wonderful way to write things down that you want in your life to happen or to manifest. And as long as you write them down or put them in pictures like this on a vision board. This is just a little board that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just a little cardboard from the Dollar Tree. Cut out whatever it is that you want out of magazines, pictures of houses, jewelry, whatever it is. You want a vacation, you want a new job. Put a picture of it on your vision board. Take, like I have the dollar signs out of the magazine, or you can cut letters out to create the word that you want and put it on that vision board. And I have been such a negative thinker like my whole life. Like I always felt like nothing good was ever going to happen to me or for me. And this vision board is really, really coming to fruition for me. So the next thing I have on my vision board is a new house. Me and my husband have been looking at houses recently. And although we're not ready to move right just yet, it is something that we are working towards. And again, it's on my vision board. So I'm praying that at some point in the near future, within this year or next year, we'll be able to, if not move to a bigger house, have one built from scratch and have more room for my kids and my dogs. And that's my video for today, guys. I just wanted to let you know about the benefits of having a vision board. While it's not foolproof and it's not like a promise, it's not magic, it's just you thinking positively and putting down the things that you want out of life on paper. Either it's a word in a book or a picture on a board. Put it out there, put it in the universe so that whatever it is that you want can come true for you. I didn't get the job per se that I wanted, but I got something comparable to that position, which kept me in my same department. I didn't have to leave, and I also got a raise with that. So I am grateful for that, and maybe that other position wasn't in the cards for me at the time. So you guys, I want you to go ahead and start making your vision boards. You can start your vision board at any time. And I hope that whatever it is that you put on your vision board or anything that you want out of life, I pray and I hope that it comes true for you, because you deserve it just like I deserve it. And I will catch you in my next video. And my next video is going to be a pack with me video, honey, because I'm going on vacation. Bye.